Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal pancakes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. This easy method ensures a delicious and healthy breakfast that's quick to prepare, perfect for busy mornings. Now let's get blending. Pour the rolled oats and milk into your blender. Let them soak for about 5 minutes to soften the oats. Next, add the egg, sugar, baking powder, and salt to the mixture. Blend everything together until the batter is completely smooth, which usually takes around 30 seconds. This creates a perfect consistency for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious oatmeal pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether it's fresh fruit, maple syrup, or a dollop of yogurt. These pancakes are a fantastic, healthy, and satisfying breakfast option that's surprisingly easy to make. They're perfect for a weekend treat or a quick weekday meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, plus other deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.